Hi, welcome back. Today, we can see the basic WordPress tutorial. This is just an overview of how to get started for the beginners. WordPress is a simple tool to create beautiful website without having coding languages. Let's get started. To log in a WordPress dashboard, we need to enter username and password for the WordPress site. Once you have entered, you can see the simple WordPress dashboard, from where you can begin. Installing a theme is the first step. Search for a beautiful theme from the collection of WordPress themes. Once you've found a perfect one, select it, and then install it. Once it is installed, activate it. Then, we are ready to build the site. Let's jump into the Pages section. Here, we can create the pages for our website. Click Add New to create new page. Then, add page name and click Publish to publish the page. To arrange pages, we can go to Settings and Reading option. From here, we can set which page need to display at first, make the changes and save. Click View to view the page. You can see how a user see your page. Now, we need to edit it, so, go to Dashboard. Go to Pages, and select Edit option of the page which we need to modify. Once the page editing section opened, then we need to click the plus symbol, through which we can add whatever we need to add on the page. We just adding an image by clicking Image option. We can choose images from pexels.com or other similar website, where you can find copyright-free images. Search for a related image for the site. Then download it. Once you download, you can upload it in the site. Then align it to see better. Then update. We just want to check our website to see how our changes made on the site. Let's have a look. Then, we can add some text. We can click on the plus symbol and select heading, then type the text. Similarly, we can add some paragraph text by adding paragraph. Like this, we have to add necessary things to our web page. Now, let's have a look at adding more pages and creating a menu so that we can easily navigate to pages. We have created About and Contact pages. Now go to Appearance, and click Menu to create a menu. In the Menu section, we need to create a name for our menu and select which menu we are creating so that it displays in the correct position. Here we tick on Primary. Now we need to add pages, which are need to display on this menu. From here, we can select Pages and click Add to Menu. Now, we can arrange the menu to how it need to be displayed. Once it is finished, let's save the menu and go out for checking if the menu added or not. Just refresh the page, and you can see the menu displayed, through which we can navigate to the pages. We can edit any pages like we did before. We can see the changes in our website. We just need to see all the possible things we can add. You can see many options here. You can try out everything. And that's it for a quick tutorial. As a beginner, you may have many doubts on this. Comment down your questions. I am ready to answer. If you want to explore the complete course of a WordPress tutorial, I am offering a Udemy course for you with very suitable price for you. Also, I am ready to train you personally if you are interested to learn more. Also, we have an amazing deal for you. If you need to work out and study on the real website, I can offer you a login on this demo site, so you can explore more and learn more. For that, contact me on the below number. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.